So, part 2 exclusive land box.
Bang, bang, bang. What did you just do?
Nothing.
Bang, bang, bang. Who knows toys young here?
Airplane fight. If someone fall losing.
Wait. I remember when I cut my hair, it was here. And now it's on my shoulder. It's here already.
Ooh.
Is
Hello Kitty falls to death.
Okay. Can we make a role play? Like the Sanrio characters are like zooming. Okay, so let's pause it.
I don't like role play. Later we're gonna play role play.
Naman ako dyan.
Opo. Hindi ka nakikita?
Kaya nga, hindi ka na nakikita. So you guys might know. Okay.
Yeah, don't mind that lanky box. That's just a Filipino word.
You know, two words.
Oh,
Hey! I'm gonna get pom-pom-porn.
No, this is my cutie pie. And
Not yours
most
anymore.
lanky box.
Okay, so bye guys. See you
What
on
do you-
another video.
What?
Hey, wow.
But we're still gonna
Dad said
attach-
we're gonna sleep.
just wait. We're gonna attach them first. Just wait the instructions.
We don't instructions anymore.
Here, I can see. Alright, I need. You're just lazy to do this.
Okay, see you in another video because I'm out. Boom.
Okay.
Bye guys.
Hey!
See you naman tayo.
Hey! It's just me, guys. I'm gonna get all the merch of Lanky Box exclusive.
Shut up.
Okay. Next read this. Hey, you're not sleeping. Just wait. Just wait.
Ayan, so nandito na po tayo ngayon sa Florida Blanca, Pampanga. So, Kuya Ike, okay na ba yan? Nabuti na yung tubig na? Balik. Oo, gagat. Ayan, may nakapitan.
There we attach pom-pom points. Just wait, guys. Okay, guys. Pom-pom point.
This guy decided to get involved.
Next
This is truly creative.
is my melody. Bro, this is wrong.
Oh, lucky. I already found a village.
Fall of its fit tonight cat litter using Roden pressure gas removal technology. There is no dust even into this.
First,
Kaya sa
we're
mga
gonna...
nagtatanong po kung pwede po yung nawasa na tubig. Ayan, pwede po gamitin yung nawasa na tubig. Basta po makasingabi po yun ng at least minimum 12 hours or mas pinaka-safe 24 hours bago niyo po gamitin sa inyong mga alagang isda. So maganda meron kayong extra na lalagyan para pasingawin yung chlorine. Kagaya nito, may extra dito. Halimbawa na lang pa extra yung parang isda.
Okay, guys. I'm just wait.
Nawasaw yung tubig na may chlorine, tapos pasingawin. Mas better po kung meron tayong venturi. Set up yung venturi siya, tapos nagre-recycle. Then after 24 hours, pwede nyo na siyang pang-top up doon sa inyong main tank na meron ng lamang isda. Yan. Okay, so maganda rin po na meron po tayong gamitin venturi para po may movement yung tubig. So may set up na venturi. So para din siyang ang kaganda rin sa Victoria kasi hindi mo na siya mabubulabog yung inyong main tank to cleanse po para alisin yung mga flap, yung mga tubig sa loob ng main tank. Panilinisan mo na lang po pagka venturi system yung gagamitin mo. Is yung pinaka-simple tank.
Almost
Ito siya. So
there.
dito po gagawin natin ay venturi. Kasi dito kaya tayo mag-venturi dahil
Yo, fall.
kulang yung supply sa tubig. Yan, kailangan talaga venturi para kahit pa paano makatipid sila sa tubig. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 na 5 meter diameter yung i-venturi natin. Tapos dalawang circular.
My melody.
Maganda yung venturi kung nakapanel type po sa circular or kahit na rectangular tayo basta wala yung mga kanto-kanto. Yan, para maganda yung ikot ng tubig. Yan ang po yung aming share na simple at effective tips sa video na ito mga kabista. Yan. Ito po siya. Yan, panel type. Para sa imono. Yan, gano'n siya.
There,
Para
guys.
pagka sinet up niya sa venturi setup, yan, tatangin yung dito.
Wait, now
Screen na. Automatic,
let's
malilipat
just
na
the
yung
word
mga
box.
flap
It's
or yung tubig
listen.
sa loob ng main tank papunta doon sa shipment tank.
Hello, my name is Hackerbot. Oh, hello, Hackerbot. What's up?
Ganito po.
Just wait,
Mas malaki
guys.
siya. IPC. Kaya 1 cubic meter na shipment tank ang gagamitin yung mas maganda po siya. Para medyo malawak
Okay,
yung mapaglalagyan
this
ng
is
mga
just I collect first.
dumi sa loob ng inyong mga pan.
Camera. Hackerbot. Wait, where's Sticky and Kelly? That's for today, guys. Bye.